Hello everyone, I am Tushar Agni. I am working as an application engineer for Beacon India. In this session, we are going to learn about how to generate CNC program for laser cutting or plasma cutting. As we all know, once design part is approved, it goes to the next level, that is manufacturing process. The major sector of manufacturing industries using CNC machines to speed up production and obtain high accuracy. For that, company goes for two different software, one for CAD designing and another for CNC programming. Now SolidWorks brings us to the next level by compiling both these features in one software. That is, we can generate CNC codes in SolidWorks itself. Do you know SolidWorks CAM? SolidWorks CAM includes part and assembly machining, from 2.5 axis milling to 3+2 indexing operations, also 2 axis turning operations, toolpath simulation, comprehensive libraries for post-processors, able to generate GNM codes, and also possible to generate program for laser cutting or plasma cutting. Now I think you all have gone through one question. It is possible to generate program for plasma cutting in SolidWorks CAM? Yes, it is. Let's go through demonstration. Here in this session, we will look at customization in technology database and setting up toolpaths and strategies for plasma cutting or laser cutting. Let's see the demonstration. Let's generate plasma cutting program on this front enclosure of roof panel. Make sure unit set are in mm. Let's set our plasma cutting machine from technology database and also set post processor for the same. Then set our plasma beam tool in end mill option by copying one of the tool and change its dimension accordingly. Let's add this plasma tool to our tool crib. Now we are going to add our plasma beam tool in our tool crib. Then select our plasma machine from CAM feature tree by editing machining setup. Make sure respective tool crib is selected. Because of selecting plasma machine, post processor is get selected automatically. Now we are going to add our stock. Add 20 mm in X direction and 20 mm in Z direction. As we are working on the plasma cutting, no need to add stock in the direction of the thickness. Now right click on the machine, go to the option. In that, go to the mill feature tab and make sure part parameter option is checked and put up hole recognized diameter as per requirement. Then we have to set coordinates. It is most important for our program. It will help machine to locate our part on the machining bed. Let's set our mill part setup. This mill part setup indicates our machining direction. Just click on extract machinable features. Because of that, it will extract these machinable features. Now we are going to use these machinable features to generate our contour operation. Now we have to do some changes in our contour operation for our betterment. As like we have to reduce number of passes and have to do some changes in depth parameters. Generate toolpath and simulate it for verification. Now once version is done, click on post process and let's post this operation. After posting this operation, it will get open in SolidWorks NC editor, where we can able to edit the program according to requirements and feed this program to a machine by one of the transfer method. By this way, we are going to end our demonstration. As we all know, SolidWorks CAM, SolidWorks Visualize, etc. These are the multi-products of SolidWorks. We get benefits of these multi-products only when we are in subscription. So stay tuned for subscription video on our channel. If you enjoy this video or learn anything new, please do like, comment and share this video with all your colleagues. And subscribe our channel for new content. Alright then, thanks for watching and goodbye.